Another top tech tip from CMD Detectors. Bluetooth headphone pairing to the Minelab Vanquish 540. Very easy to do, but it seems to confuse a few people as to how you do it.
Crawford's Metal Detecting, powered by Minelab, fueled by passion.
You turn on your detector. If you're doing it for the first time, the Bluetooth connection, press and hold down the Bluetooth key for a couple of seconds. It'll start looking for your Bluetooth headphones. So hold it down. It's now going to start looking for your Bluetooth headphones. You turn your Bluetooth headphones on until you see the red and blue flashing. Now searching for Bluetooth headphones, and you can see it's connected by super fast Bluetooth connection. That's it. Every time you turn your detector on, it'll look for your Bluetooth headphones. If you've got any problems, just hold the Bluetooth button down for a few seconds on your detector, it'll beep and it'll start searching for your headphones again. Otherwise, every time you turn your detector on, just press the Bluetooth button so the signal comes on, switch your headphones on and they'll automatically pair. Thanks for watching. More top tech tips from Minelab Vanquish and CMD coming soon.